Hello, this is a screencast for the database. So apparently I had everything right last time, except that I had to change the XML file, which I didn't do, so let's start there. Well, this is right. It's here, so we have the main layout. And then we have the item, that every time you create an item and add an item, it prints this layout for each item. So I have the ID, colon, the name, colon, price, colon, and URL. So that's what I had also. Like, what caused me trouble was I had this single line end, and then the last one had fill parent, so because I copied and pasted down here, so this one had fill parent, so it wouldn't print what I wanted. So that was like a stupid layout error. I should have spotted first. So in the constants, I added the link one and changed the other ones. And so let's start here. I imported the one I added. The from has now ID, name, price, and URL, and it's ordered descendantly by name, alphabetically. So these this is two. The to the layout are the ID, URL. So that sends the string to the XML file. And so in this method on create, which is like kind of like my main method, I add these three items. I add them to the database, so it puts each of the, like, it gets the database, it puts each of the values, and then I want to get events, so I call here and I get a query for the items, and here I show events, which shows the layout for the database. And then the last one is events data. Also I imported the last one. This is the database name. This is the version which gets increased every time you do it. So I have this creates the table with the name of the table, the ID number which gets increased every time, and then the name, present, URL I add, and then that's it. So now we're gonna run it. Don't worry, it's already like running, but you have to like uninstall every time you are gonna run it, so fine, just wait for it. 3, 2, 1. Why do I always do the same thing? Woo! So I have t-shirt, pants, dress, name, price, URL, name, price, URL, name, price, URL, and this increases, and that's it. Thank you very much, and yeah, good night.